Basking in the alluring glow of the Adriatic Sea, the Makarska Riviera is a stunning 60-kilometer stretch of Croatia's finest coastal areas. This breathtaking piece of heaven, framed by the mighty Biokovo mountain to the east and the Azure Sea to the west, is a testament to nature's unending creativity and generosity. The Riviera is a string of enchanting towns, each adorned with its unique allure and charm, promising an experience that's a beautiful blend of relaxation and adventure. The Makarska Riviera, known for its pristine beaches, clear turquoise waters, and lush greenery, offers a perfect getaway for those seeking respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. Its breathtaking landscapes, rich historical heritage, and vibrant nightlife make it a dream destination for travel enthusiasts. Makarska, the beating heart of the Riviera, is a town that beautifully blends traditional charm with modern amenities. Its historical center, dominated by the majestic St. Mark's Church, is a labyrinth of narrow, winding streets filled with quaint boutiques, cozy cafes, and inviting restaurants. The town is home to beautiful beaches, such as the central Makarska Beach, a 2 kilometers long pebble beach lined with pine trees providing a refreshing shade. The beach promenade, adorned with palm trees, is perfect for a leisurely walk, with plenty of boutiques, ice cream parlors, and cafes to stop at. The nightlife in Makarska is vibrant and diverse, with numerous bars, clubs, and beach parties that cater to different tastes. The town also offers various outdoor activities, such as hiking, cycling, and water sports, making it a preferred destination for both relaxation and adventure seekers. Besides Makarska, a string of towns and villages dot the narrow strip of Riviera at the foothill of the Biokovo mountain, each with its own allure. The Makarska Riviera is a haven for beach lovers, boasting some of the most beautiful beaches in Croatia. From the popular central Makarska beach and the world-renowned Punta Rata in Brela to the secluded Duba, the Riviera offers a beach for every preference. Whether you're looking for a bustling beach with amenities or a secluded spot to enjoy nature in its purest form, the Makarska Riviera has you covered. While the Makarska Riviera is best known for its beaches, there's much more to do here than just sunbathing and swimming. Hiking enthusiasts can explore the Biokovo mountain, which offers several trails leading to stunning viewpoints. Culture and history buffs can visit the numerous historical sites and museums scattered across the towns of the Riviera. The Makarska town's Franciscan Monastery, which houses a shell museum, and the Malacological Museum, home to a collection of shells from around the world, are a must-visit. For those seeking relaxation, a stroll along the town promenades, a visit to the local markets, or a boat trip to the nearby islands of Hvar and Brač are perfect options. Reaching the Makarska Riviera is a relatively straightforward process. The nearest airport is Split, which is well connected with most major European cities. Upon landing, one can opt for a bus or taxi to reach Makarska, the Riviera's central town, roughly 90 kilometers from Split. Alternatively, there is also the option of a scenic drive along the Adriatic Highway if you're up for a road trip. The journey to the Riviera is as beautiful as the destination itself, with the road offering panoramic views of the sea on one side and the towering Biokovo mountain on the other. For those who prefer the sea route, ferries and catamarans operate from Split to Makarska, offering an exciting way to start your Riviera journey. It's worth noting that ferry schedules vary depending on the season, so be sure to check the timetable in advance. The Makarska Riviera offers a range of accommodations to suit different budgets and preferences. There's something for everyone, from luxury resorts and boutique hotels to budget-friendly guesthouses and apartments. The Makarska Riviera, with its stunning natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, delicious food, and vibrant nightlife, offers a vacation experience like no other. Whether you're a beach bum, an adventure enthusiast, a history buff, or a foodie, the Riviera has something to cater to your interests. So, are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through the Makarska Riviera?